the stage, please. Congratulations, sir. We would love to hear from you, sir. Can't wait. Yeah.
Good evening, ladies, gentlemen, and children. I see some children running around. I look at them with interest because they are the next generation of budding seafarers. क्या करूं? मैनिंग करता हूं. You have to look after these things. And जो मोदी जी ने हमारे ऊपर बोला है कि इंडस्ट्री के ऊपर increase the footfall of Indian seafarers at sea. So the industry looks after them. So we have to look after them and nurture them. Okay, on a more somber and a more serious note, Mr. Pinto rightly saluted the spirit of Mr. Chaco. In the same way, this gentleman who was with us, Captain Indrajit Singh, who expired recently, he was the captain superintendent of our batch, and I think many here who have served on Rajendra will remember him fondly. He has been the guiding light, and because of him, we are what we are today. He gave us the stepping stone towards the industry. Now, before we move, I would like to thank Captain Sunil Nangia, Sangeeta. They are doing a wonderful job year after year. 17 years have just passed, and I've been fortunate enough to attend all the functions that he has hosted. And he does it with such a big heart, never expecting anything in return, only the good wishes of the industry. So we all join him in thanking you. Talking about the fleet management, yes, last year, 2017, and part of this year has been very challenging for us. This was the first time when we faced an adverse situation where the ship owner deserted us, deserted the ships, deserted the crew on board, more than 180 of them, and we stood by the seafarers, we stood by the ship, maintained them, gave them everything they need, and also brought them back to the families. Thanks to the senior team in Hong Kong, Mr. Rajvanshi and Captain Harry Banga, and my colleagues all over India who supported me in supporting the seafarers at sea. So thanks for this wonderful evening, and thanks for the award. Enjoy the evening.
Yes, maybe present
Thank
the
you so
award,
much, sir.
sir, please. And can we have everybody come together for the photograph, please?
Just excuse me, can I call my team, my fleet management team with me? Can the team join me, please?
Please put your hands together.
No award is possible without a team, so thanks to the team effort, please join me. Including Captain Nagarajan, who has come all the way from Hong Kong.
Requesting everybody to please move slightly forward for the photograph, please. Please move slightly forward, sir, for the photograph. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is what true team spirit is all about. Let's have a huge round of applause.